loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this kind of blue-green look. My cousin just bought me the Huda Emerald Obsessions and Sapphire Obsessions. So I wanted to play with these and see what I could come up with, and this is pretty much what I came up with. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, to start off I'm going to be using the Emerald Obsessions, and I'm going to go in with this kind of pastel-y mint green and a big fluffy brush, and I'm kind of just putting this on the, what am I trying to say? The inner half of my eye, right above the crease and in the crease, and I'm just blending this up to the brow bone. This took a long time because it's such a light color, it took forever to build up. And then I'm going to be going in with the Sapphire Obsessions, and we're going to be going in with this lighter blue, kind of like a robin egg blue. And then we're going to be doing the same thing on the other half of the eye. Also, this one didn't take as long to build up, but it still did take a while, so just make sure you're patient with it. And then going back into the Sapphire Obsessions, we're taking that darker blue, and we are placing this on the outer half of our eye. Blending up towards the crease and blending it in with that robin egg blue. And I'm also making sure to make a V shape out of this. We're just going back into the Emerald Obsessions and taking this kind of hunter green and placing this in the inner half of our eye, blending it up towards that mint green. And you just want to make sure this really peaks like kind of far up on your eyes. When you cut the crease, you're not losing these colors completely. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a small detail brush to cut my crease. So I kind of pat it on and then I look up. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease very carefully. Then I go ahead and set that with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. It's kind of a skin tone color, but I didn't really care because we're going to be putting a shadow over it. So going back in with the Sapphire Obsessions, I'm taking that kind of gunmetal glitter, pressed glitter, and patting that on the lid, and I did wet my brush with some water just to make this really stick. And then we're going into our CC Beauty palette that I got on Amazon, and I'm taking that teal and white and kind of mixing them together to create a lighter teal. And I'm using a very small detail brush to line right over that cut crease on the inner half, and I kind of extend it to the outer half, but we are going to blend it with this royal blue right here. And so then I start lining and kind of tracing over the cut crease with this royal blue. I start to do my winged eyeliner to connect the two, like so, and then we're going to continue lining the outer half, kind of stopping midway right before we start to do the white. And so going in with the white, we're going to do the inner half. And then I'm going to kind of marry the two colors together by blending them, kind of going one direction to blend, then the other to blend, and just until you're happy with if it looks seamless to you or not. Go to the upper portion and do the same thing over there, just blending the two colors together. Go ahead and set with a translucent face powder. I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro. I hate the setting powder, but I use it just to set the look. Then I am just cleaning up this with some makeup remover just to really sharpen up the edges and make sure I get all that muckiness off, and doing the same thing to the other eye. And then if you guys want a full face makeup routine, I'll link it down below. But here I'm just showing you the steps of my full face just to make the video a little shorter. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe off my bakeage to do the under eye. So going back in with that royal blue color, we're going to be lining our lash line with this, and then I do blend it out with that lighter blue and a little bit more of that royal blue just to really smoke it out. Went ahead and did my mascara and lashes off camera. I will link what mascara and lashes I used down below. And I'm going with my blush from Milani, and this is in Dolce Pink, and I'm just applying this to my cheekbones. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to be first going in with my NYX Bright Idea stick and my Strobe of Genius palette, also from NYX, and that purple highlight. So first I put the Bright Idea stick on my face and just right on the cheekbones, and then I blend it out with my finger, and I also did the bridge of the nose. And then just applying that purple highlighter right over. And this just really makes it just, oh my god, it's just such a dream. It makes it pop. For my lip combo, I'm going in with the LA Girl lip liner in Nonstop Nude and my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Push Up. And just, of course, lining my lips first, or just the outer portion of my lips, and then applying the lipstick. Guys, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, loves.